Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have done this smoky eyes and I am going to show you guys how I did it, and this is my first time trying smoky eyes. I know everybody struggles with this smoky eyes and I have give it a try, so I want to show you guys how I did my first time and posting this video just so I can laugh at myself when I see this in the future. So let's get started. I already did my whole face. I put a foundation on. I'm using this palette from Hard Candy and this brush from Sinia. It's the blending crease. So I am gonna take this light brown color and apply it on my crease and blending it really nicely. And then I'm moving on to this color, the darkest brown color, and applying in same technique but in a little bit lower, but blending it very well. Then I'm taking this brush, it's Lars eyeshadow applying, it's all from Sinia. And then I'm taking this Noir black color eyeshadow and I am just dabbing it. Then I'm taking this brush. This brush is from an eyeshadow palette and I'm using that brush to blend it, and then applying more of the Noir color just so I still have the smoky color look. Then I'm using my blending brush again to blend all that together. And I'm using this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And then I'm using this mascara. And then I'm using my eyeliner to line my waterline. And then I'm gonna be using this flat brush to do my under eyes, and I'm gonna be applying the same colors that I did my lids with. And then I'm using this brush and highlighters to put under my brows. Then I am using some gold color highlighters in my inner corners. Then I am gonna be using my loose powder and apply on my face, forehead. Then I'm putting my blush on and my highlighter. And then I am moving on to my lips, and I have lined it already, and I'm gonna be using this Milani color number 64. It's a pink color. Then I am gonna be using this NYX setting spray and put all over my face, and then I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender and set them all together. Then I am gonna be done with my makeup. You can already see it, and I did a cute little bun, and here I am. Now my friends Minnie Mouse and Unicorn, they want to say hi too, and my Minnie Mouse says hi. My unicorn says hi, and I am saying hi, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and from Minnie Mouse, don't forget to share. Bye.